Okay, I got a bunch of green tomatoes to cut up to fry tonight, so I'm going ahead and start slicing them. I know some people said they don't know how to fix fried green tomatoes, so I'm going to show y'all just how I do it for my family, because this is how they like them. And you're gonna, you're gonna cut. We've got a bunch of green tomatoes out in our garden, and worms are starting to get some of them, so I've pulled them off and brought them in. So you just want to slice up however many tomatoes you're going to want to fry for your family. And I've got a lot to do, so I'll be back. Okay, I got the green tomatoes cut up. I ended up not cutting up all of them because there's a lot there. And I've mixed up my flour. You can use plain, self-rising, whichever kind you want. I've got that. I've got some cornmeal in there, all mixed up, and some salt and pepper. That's all I do. Now, tomatoes, I've got them in an egg and milk mixture. And I'm getting my skillet hot. Got avocado oil in there. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to roll these tomatoes in this flour and get them put in here. And here I go. Hopefully that skillet's hot enough. Got some sizzle going on, y'all, so they're really easy to fix. And I think green tomatoes are one of those things that you either love them or you don't like them. I grew up eating them, fried green tomatoes. Now I'm going to get some more ready. I like to let mine get pretty brown, so I just let them cook on one side. I keep checking under them, and when I think they're brown enough for how we like them, then I get them out the skillet. Now you can see about how brown those back ones are over there. That's how we like them. So I've got several more to fry. It's really easy to make them. They taste so good. And it's not hard to do. Sometimes we let stuff go that we're afraid that we may not know how to fix it, or if you'll fix it right. Well, if you don't get it right the first time, you can always try again. There's not a thing wrong with that at all. But these are fried green tomatoes. Really easy to do. If you got any questions, ask me. I don't have measurements on stuff. I just cook the way I grew up, and a lot of stuff, Mom and my mom never did measure stuff. They just eyeball stuff, and that's what I learned to do with a lot of stuff. So hope y'all have had a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay, and I love y'all. There they are. Eric's on his way home. Zackie's done been in them. He's come back twice. See if I can find me a little one in here that's kind of cooled down.